Aphorism 217. In these diseases, we must be very careful to make ourselves acquainted with the whole of the phenomena, both those belonging to the corporeal symptoms and also, indeed, particularly those appertaining to the accurate apprehension of the precise character of the chief symptom of the peculiar and always predominating state of the mind and disposition, in order to discover, for the purpose of extinguishing the entire disease, among the remedies whose pure effects are known, a homeopathic medicinal pathogenetic force, that is to say, a remedy which in its list of symptoms displays with the greatest possible similarity not only the corporeal morbid symptoms present in the case of disease before us, but also especially this mental and emotional state. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Henneman has given idea about diagnosis of symptoms. In these diseases, mental diseases or one-sided local diseases, we must be very careful to make ourselves familiar with the whole of the phenomena. We should be aware of the phenomena related to both those belonging to the physical symptoms, those which are particularly related to accurate apprehension of the precise character. These mental symptoms of precise character becomes the chief symptom of the peculiar and always predominating state of the mind and disposition. In order to discover a homeopathic medicinal pathogenetic force to extinguish the entire disease, among the remedies whose pure effects are known, means we should discover the remedy which has its list of symptoms with the greatest similarity not only to the physical morbid symptoms but also emotional and mental state of the case before us. Aphorism 218. To this collection of symptoms belongs in the first place the accurate description of all the phenomena of the previous so-called corporeal disease before it degenerated into a one-sided increase of the psychical symptom and became a disease of the mind and disposition. This may be learned from the report of the patient's friends. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Henneman has given idea about peculiar important symptoms. The collection of symptoms which belongs to the corporeal disease, which can give you the accurate description of all the phenomena of corporeal disease before it degenerated or transformed into one-sided increase of the psychical symptoms and became a disease of the mind and disposition. These all symptoms of corporeal disease before it is transformed into a one-sided mental disease may be learned from the report of the patient's friends and relatives.